What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be assembling most of the 335. Alright guys, so the first step is going to be to take off this trunk lid because we're going to use it to realign this back end of the car here. So I just see there's a bunch of star screws and then 2 Torx screws. So let's get started, take this off, and then keep going. There it goes. It's out of here. See what comes out with it. They have nice labeled bags here, so whoever took it apart originally did a pretty decent job. As far as these I can tell, these are just sitting in here. If I had a better light, I could actually see something, but you know, I don't, so. There's something holding it over here. Got it. There we go. Came right out of there. Oh, on this side there's a clip. That side is, must have been broken. Alright, now I just need to pop off the clip in the front. Alright, so I'm going to put the other trunk lid on. I'm going to do my best to record it. I'm doing it by myself, so it's kind of hard. I'm going to have to try and angle it down and screw it in all at the same time. So we're going to see how that goes. Alright, I got a piece of wood on this side and a bungee cord on this side. And there's somehow they worked out to the same size. Okay, I finally got it. Alright guys, so we're gonna get this front crash bumper on here. So it shouldn't be too hard. Next, we got this lower air duct here. Alright guys, this headlight's almost in. I got this bolt screwed in right here. Only problem I'm having is it's supposed to sit right like that, and there's still a gap. This part wasn't new when I bought it, so it might have been bent. So I'm just gonna bend it to the right spot because I closed the hood. And I'm supposed to sit just like this. So, yeah. So without the bumper on, I think this is as close as I'm gonna be able to get it. The gap seems to be not bad. So I think I'm gonna get it all screwed in right there. And then we can put this fender liner back on. Then we're gonna take off that fender liner and do the same thing on that side. All right, it's solid now. I didn't really record it because you wouldn't be able to see what I'm doing anyway. Now, I don't know what this wire's, oh, that's the fog light. All right, guys, fender liner's off. Bracket in. So now all I gotta do is grab the headlight. All right, here we go. And for some reason I thought the headlight had that, but apparently not. Still gotta adjust the hood, but let's see if the headlights work. Oh, I forgot to plug this one in. Oh, throw the front bumper on, see how it looks. Buddy, look at that, we got a car. All right, now that I got the bumper on, it's gotta come right back off. I just wanted to see how it looks, just so I can see the car together for once. But now we just have to put the fender well back on, and then finish screwing together the air ducts and stuff. All right, we actually don't have too much to do. We just gotta tighten these up. I gotta put the brake duct in here. Like that. And then the other side, tighten the bolt. And then we're basically, oh yeah. There's two clips down here. I gotta put all these screws into this. Put the fender well back on this side, and then we're done. All right, there we go. The next issue is this wire is broken here. I cut the one off the other car. I got it depinned and then I cut. I left myself lots of extra, but we just gotta pop this one out, put this one in, and then fix the wires. I'm not sure what happened here, so it looks like it's actually already been fixed before. So I'm probably just gonna cut it right around here and see what I can do. As you see, the wire is still good. It's not corroded or anything. So now I just gotta pull this clip out of here, and then I should be able to depin the wire. Well, good thing I got an extra. That one's a goner. Okay. Just like that. Now all the pins are locked back in. This is the last one I have, so works out good. I want to melt the wire, so I've got to turn this down. All right, I'm gonna let that harden up, and then we're gonna get the light and test it out. Put electrical tape around it, but I just want to make sure. So, good enough. All right, let's see. Yep, it's definitely working. The running lights and the turn signal. Perfect. All right, so I'm gonna individually wrap this one and then wrap them all, just like what's done here. One pass should be good. I don't want it to be too bulky, so there we go. I think that's pretty good, actually. Then we're gonna put the taillight in, just like this, and it'll be good. I'm not gonna put the taillight back in because this bumper's gotta get painted, and the trunk lid, so it's gonna have to come out again quickly anyways. Well guys, as you can see, this is the car how it sits. Everything's all done. Just need the front bumper, but like I said, it's in Toronto and I have to drive a couple hours to go get it. So that's gonna be a whole video to itself, putting on the M Sport bumper. So guys, that's gonna end today's video. If you liked the video, be sure to leave a like down below, and if you want to see more videos like this one, be sure to subscribe so you get notified when they come out. But yeah, I think that's gonna end today's video, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.